Neke atu I te kaumātahi o ngā terenga e whakapau wera ana a Reinga Bloxham I tōna katoa mo te kapa Southland Steel. Engari, ko tō te wā ki runga I tēnei kai whakaako matua.
I think the last couple of days post the last game have been a time of reflection for me. I actually feel really proud of everything that has gone before me.
I tīmata a Bloxham I tōna arapoi tarapiti I roto I te tīma Southland Steel hei kai tākaro. Nā wai rā I peka mai ia ki te tīma Southland Steel hei kai hāpai. Kamatu no te tau 2017 kua tūātea hei kai whakaako matua mo te kapa nei.
I think when I first walked into this role, I came in as a specialist coach and Janine Southby was the head coach then and she said, look, do you want to come along and do some coaching? At the time I remember thinking, why on earth is she actually ringing me? There's got to be other people around that are better than me. So when I walked into it, I just thought it was going to be temporary and here I am, 11 years later, I'm still here, but have moved from being an assistant coach to obviously applying for the head coach role, have been in charge for 8 years.
Aha kua ngā au piki, ka hau tonu mai ngā au heke. Pēnei I te noho tawhiti mai I ana tamariki a te kanu raua ko maraia.
There's plenty of challenges when you're the head coach and it can feel quite lonely at times. And then there are the challenges that you face personally. You know, for my kids, it's been a really tough challenge for them, but one they've wholeheartedly supported me with. And it hasn't been till the last couple of weeks that I've had time to stop and reflect and think how my career has affected their lives and how invested they are, but they wouldn't have it any other way.
Hei katoa tēnei kai whakaako ki te toro atu I tōna ringa atawhai ki te kapa o te Cardiff Dragons. Heoi anō, ka noho moke a Bloxham nei ki tōna whānau tuarua.
It was a tough decision to make to move away. The timing for me was right to embrace a new challenge. I think I always talk to my players and my kids about doing something that sort of rattles your bones a bit, and this is definitely going to rattle mine. I enjoy those relationships that you get to build. I enjoy what each individual brings to the team, but I know that my new team are going to be able to help bridge that gap, I suppose. But yeah, there's going to be plenty of stuff that I'm going to miss.
Ko te mahi ināia nei, ko te raka I ngā kuaha o te kapa Southland Steel, kia anga whakamua ki tōna tūranga hou ki Wales. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.